we already create this image and also the username, and this time we want to make this horizontal, and we want to hide the scroll bar, although later you can see we can scroll the stories. So first we have to add two packages. One is the scroll behavior, and the other is the tailwind scroll bar hide, so we can hide the scroll bar. So first we go to copy this command and go to here and type yarn add, and then we go to another package and also copy this and type yarn add. And now you can see in the config you have to copy this and paste to your tailwind config. So we go to here and paste to here and go to this one and also copy this required. So now we already import this to tailwind CSS package, and back to the stories.js. We are going to add the class name equal to flex and with some space in between. So now if you look at this, we already make it vertical, and you can see the scroll bar already disappear because we add the scroll bar hide. The scroll smooth can be seen after you make the scroll functions. We add the padding 4 and also border gray, and you can see a little bit border gray color, and we have the background white, and we set the max width of XL, and we have the overflow of X scroll. So if you hide this scroll hide, you can see we have the scroll bar, but now we add back the scroll bar hide. Now we can see it do not have the scroll bar. So now we focus on adding a ring to our stories. So we back to the story.js. We already have a circle shape, and now we do not want the username is too long, so we have to truncate this. So in the paragraph we have to add the class name, which is equal to the text is extra small and the width is 16, and then we have to truncate. So now you can see the dot dot dot, and we can use the text center. Now it will center the username to the avatar.